Hello students, today I want to discuss about the signal to noise ratio of the AM signal with the signal to noise ratio of the baseband system. Okay, so in the previous class I have discussed the baseband system. The signal to noise ratio equal to PR by N. PR is the receive power and N the noise power equal to eta into B. Okay, so similarly, for AM signal, we know that we know the receive power. Similarly, for receive power for AM signal, in the last class, this is the equation, the output of the low pass filter. This is the output of the low pass filter, and this is the y dot t. Okay, so from this equation we get the power. From the equation we get the power. PR receive power equal to AC square by 2 1 plus mu square PMN. Okay, this is the receive power. Okay, and we know that the noise power equal to for AM and the noise power equal to eta B by 2. Okay, so this is the equation, and already we have seen that now we have to compare. Now we have to compare with the AM signal to signal to noise ratio of the AM to the signal to noise ratio of the baseband system. So we know that signal to noise ratio already we have calculated that this equal to AC square by 2 mu square PMN divided by eta into B. Okay, so no PR term is here, no PR term is here, but we have to compare with the baseband, so we have to multiply by PR and divided by PR. So now we can see that PR divided by eta B, we take this as a common. PR divided by eta B take as a common, and the AC square by 2 mu square and PMN is numerator side, and the denominator we know that there is PR value is there, so we know PR value is AC square by, so we put the value of PR AC square by 2 1 plus mu square P into MN. Okay, so AC square by 2 AC square by 2 is cancelled to each other, and this PR into eta B, we know that this is the signal to noise ratio of the baseband system. Okay, baseband system. So now we get this into multiply into PMN mu square divided by 1 plus PMN into mu square. So this whole term we can write as a C, some constant is there, into signal to noise ratio into baseband. Okay, now C we can write the C PMN mu square divided by 1 plus PMN mu square. So from this equation we can see that the minimum value of C may be the minimum value would be 0, and this 1 plus something is there. That means the upper value of this C will be always less than 1. Okay, so we can see that the signal to noise ratio of AM will be always less than the signal to noise ratio of the baseband system. Okay, that's why writing here the signal to noise ratio of AM is always less than the signal to noise ratio of the baseband system.